Hi and welcome to the preview of my master's project. The idea is to create an API that allows you to send Maya scenes over networks in real time, whether that be to preview on a game engine or whatever the case may be. So the plugin is already loaded in Maya, so if I just go over to my client, which is on the same computer right now but is a networked connection, and if we just run that and I toggle through a couple of shading modes, we can see we have this nice preview of the same model that we just seen over here. If I just get rid of this command window. Now, if I just, because of Maya's horrible biases, just increase this bias on here, you can see I actually have shadows too, which is really nice. So this is akin to a mini game engine, so to speak. And all these parameters for lights change in real time. So the cone angle can be modified. As you can see, I change the cone angle, also changes in my program. Now materials also have the same parameters associated with them, so if I go on this material here for the ground, and I just really bump down this value here, we can see how that affects in the material. In the actual preview, we get a nice shiny ground. It's using ward shading, anisotropic. So that's really cool, but now if we want to modify some geometry, so if I just go on here, and for example, if I want to scale this helmet for some reason all the way down, if I just scale this and look in both windows, you can see it actually scales. Everything updates in real time. And that's really nice, but what if you want to actually do some geometry editing? Well, we can do that too. So if I just grab some vertices from here, for example, and I'll just pull them out in a silly way. So if I pull these, we can see they update in the editor too. Now camera data can also be transferred, but I have one hand free, so I can't show that. But the camera will be is able to follow Maya's camera in real time. So when you move in Maya, it will also move in here. And that's really cool. But that's not a network machine. So while this client is running and this server has one client already, let's go on a different machine, a really old Packet Bell, and we'll try it again. So if I just run this client on here, okay, it's a really slow computer. And it is the network, it's all connected, we're all good. Ignore that flickering, it's a broken monitor. If I just toggle between the modes, we can see we have a nice preview. So it actually works on multiple clients at the same time, multiple computers. Just to show that, I will take this head, translate it forward, and we can see it's moved here, and we can see it's moved here too. So there's actually a lot more to it than this. This is just a very high level version. But it's working really well and it's a good progress report. So thank you for watching. If you have any feedback on features and so on, please do let me know because I'm working really hard on this. Thank you.